I've placed the battery in the back of the cable tester on that location there. And when I turn it over, you'll see it says test. We can use this to test a Ethernet cable. There's an example there. On the one side, it does say two things. It says auto and also step. Make sure the switch is set to auto. On this side here, it's set to off. You can move it to sound off or sound on. Move it to sound on as well. I'll do that just now. So it's sound on and also auto. The next thing to do is to take the network cable I have, plug one end in here, and then one end in here. The network cable is now plugged into this testing device. Next thing to do is press the test button. As you've seen, lights went from left to right, also marked as green here, and it also made a beeping noise when it completed. Let's try again. What it's doing here is testing the cable to make sure it works, and a result like this means it does work. I'll change the side option now to step, which means I must press the button for every single step. And as you can see, both are lighting up. What it's really doing is checking wiring within this end of the cable to this end of the cable to make sure they are receiving information back and forth. So as I do this, it's checking a different piece of wiring within the cable. And again, if I want to, I can switch it back to auto and get the same result. And that's how you test a network cable to make sure it can transfer information properly. The next thing to do to test a network cable is to ensure the cable is plugged into the back of the computer. Do you notice a green flashing light? That indicates that there is a solid connection between this cable in the back of the computer and the network. So this connection here on the left hand side feeds into the back of the computer, and if the connection is solid and there's some information transferring back and forth to basically say the cable works fine, it's valid on the network, you expect usually a flashing link light which proves this.